99 Chevy Tahoe, and it has a broken flywheel. Come on, let's go back up here so you explain what's going on.
Okay, this is a cover for the wire, hide the starter. It's laying down here, should be bolted up on top here to stop the wires from frying on the exhaust from this to the starter, and the knock sensor, and the oxygen sensor all melted. Somebody glued them together or taped them, it looks like. There's a broken bolt here in the engine block. You gotta come this way. See the broken bolt? The bottom bolt's broke right off. How they did this, and they cut a hole out in the front bellows, and why they did that, I don't know.
Okay, what about it's not being bolted up here? I need to see.
Yeah.
Stick your light way up. Okay.
Engine's not even.
The transmission right there is not even
close to
the engine on this side, so somehow something must.
There it is. Look at how loose it is. The whole thing's loose. It's shaking there.
All right, so this thing is not here, so that's what probably broke the flywheel. Okay, now we gotta take this out.
Fix a bunch of wires and.
There was a ground that was missing too.
Yeah, that's ground right here.
Yeah, it's just laying there.
Yep.
Okay. Now we gotta take this out, and hopefully there's dowel pins on this thing.
Yeah. Well, there might be. I see one there, and one is there, so they're both there.
Okay. All right. Okay. Here we see a cracked flywheel, cracked all the way around. Also, we have the bolts that were broken off inside the engine. That whoever installed this put this in. There's one there and one there. So they didn't have a lot of bolts. And there's another one sitting up there. Right there. So this had only 3 bolts holding this transmission together for whoever installed it. Okay. And then we go over here. Here's the transmission. Because of it, you see that the bell housing is cracked all the way around. I think he said he had a motor put inside here, and whoever put the motor in here did not. They did something with this transmission, so. All right, this is a 99 Tahoe. I believe that's what this is. Let me make sure. Yeah, Tahoe. Alright, we gotta see if we can get those bolts out of the engine first of all. If we can't do that, then there's gonna be a problem there.